Calm down. Calm down there. You don't need to be walking about like that there. How are y'all doing? It's me, BLZ. Me, it's Lefty. It's me, Righty. Just got something in the mail for the poo. This is going to be cool. We're going to open it up. What we have here is the... I'll turn it this way. Intex Pure Spa rechargeable handheld vacuum, battery operated, jump in the pool, walk around with this bad boy all charged up. See, now this lady here, she's showing how it works. You see, if you block that, this lady here, she's using the vacuum to suck up poo out of her pool. Who put the poo in pool? See, and she's vacuuming that shit up from outside the pool. See how it's working? Yeah. Don't put babies in pool, people. Yeah, they call it a swimming pool, not a swimming stool. Babies poop a lot. And that's what that lady has to clean up. Poor lady. Don't do that, people. So anyway, let's take a look here. I want to see what we got. We're going to try to open this bitch up. This is going to be kind of a strange angle. Gotta get you back here a bit. That should work. It's going to be a bit glary, but that's fine. Get my knife out. Get my fucking knife. Shouldn't be much to it, right? I wouldn't think. Zap it down the middle. I just brought this in from outside. They just dropped it off. I like getting stuff in the mail. Yes, I bought the damn thing, okay? I don't have any sponsors or anything like that. So let's open this bitch. What's in here? What the fuck is in here? We have a cardboard plug with some... I don't know what that's all about. Little weasels on it. We have... Oh boy, what the fuck is this? We have a box. This is probably the battery. No, we have a box. Oh boy. This could be cool. 3D coming at you. In theaters near you. I don't know what's in the box. We have a box. That might be the power head. I don't know. We have another piece of cardboard. And some plastic. This is the pole. Okay. Just get off of me. Get on the floor. Get on the ground! You get on the ground now! Do you have anything that can poke or stick or harm me in any way? Sorry. Cop reflex. That'd be a great cop. Alright, so we have a pole. Oh, look at that. It telepoles. Cool. Alright, so I got a pole. Put that there with the BB gun. What else is in this bitch? Another box down here. Magnifico. Come out the box. Get out of here. Get out. Is that all for this box, yes? That it? This box is empty. Get back. Get off of me. What the hell's in these boxes? Doesn't look like much. This is very light. It even slides around. What the fuck is this? I just about picked that up by the blade. Always close these when you're done using them. Razor blades. Yes, I've gotten myself many times where I used to work in the fucking warehouse cutting boxes, getting cardboard parts and shit for Caterpillar tractor parts and stuff. Fuck's in here? Who the fuck is in charge? What is this? Ooh, what do we got here? Oh wow, we got the little vacuum. Little heads and stuff. Kind of like mine. No, never mind. Scratch that. Girls, my head is huge. The side brush. Nice. I didn't know that even came with that. Nice and soft. You go like this on your sides. Like this. It takes off all that bacteria, the slime. Nice. Here's the running around on the bottom of the pool. That's cool, man. And here's, I don't know what the fuck this is. So far, I haven't seen instruction 1. Here's a rag. What is this? Get over here. Oh, here's a little bag, a little catcher bag. It's not a dick sock, it's just a... I catch stuff. That's a bag, a little catcher bag, okay. Here's charging cord. Alright. Let's take this damn thing out of our way. We'll have a look here and see what that is. Charging cord. Boom. Oh, by the way, I fixed the problem on the Harley. I broke my carburetor. So, yeah, the bad part is no longer at least on the machine. Not the end of the world. I found more carburetors I can get for about 60 bucks. So, no big deal. I'm not worried about it. At least the bad part, the bad mamma jamma is off of that bike. Here's a little, looks like a little extension tube with some little clippies. Nice. Okay, what's in this box? What's in the box, BLG? I don't know yet. Let's have a look. Righty, let's have a look. I don't know why I trust you with a knife, but here you are. I didn't cut you, man. I cut lefty. Okay, what the fuck's in here? This shouldn't be too bad, right? Oh, look at that. There's the power head. Oh, instructions, I think. Get out of here. Not that I read instructions very much, but come on. Fuck. Get out. Empty. Get off of me. Oops, sorry, damn near hit you. And I do it again. Don't make me. What's this? Intex owner's manual. Whoa. Service centers. Okay, cool. So you got a piece of tape on here. Let's see what I got here. See if I can wing this with no fucking instructions. It doesn't look that difficult. Here's a little thingy here. I'm guessing that's where the pole thingy goes. Okay, the battery's in here. Alright. There's a sticker. That's okay. And that's alright with me. And I'm guessing the vacuum goes on here. How do you empty this bitch? Oh, fuck, look, it comes with a little cup. And there's a little empty thingy right there. So when you turn on the vacuum, it goes look, like that. So like a glory hole. Hey, is anybody on the other side of the wall? Okay, cool, man. So that's easy. Put this on here. And I want to use this end. Like that. Now, here's where you charge it. This is waterproof with an automatic shut on and automatic shut off. That's a fucking amazing. This thing can go underwater, man, like Submariner and shit. Now, which way does this go? Does it matter? There. I need a USB charger. Well, guess what I just happen to have? You go here. It's so fucked up. No. See the little red light? You might be able to see it. See that little red light? It's glowing red. I'm going to say that's charging, and this is going to either start blinking or turn green when it's done. And this is off and on. This thing here, 0 and 1, I'm guessing is off and on. I don't know. I haven't read these. Oh, guarantee limité. Detail des pièces. Parts list, okay. Got my handle and everything, yes. Receptacle. Plug in the charger to main electrical outlet. You can't. You have to plug it into one of these USB things like I use for my camera. Or you'd use for a cell phone. Connect the small end, I know. In the vacuum body. Insert the filter bag with the gasket into the Vaccuum body. Is this a filter bag? What is this? Maybe it is a dick sock. It doesn't show anything about using it. What the fuck is that used for, huh? Plug charger not included. That's fine. I already have one. Vacuum nozzle. Microfilter bag 1. It's number 7. So I just need to look for number 7 right there. Where does it say something about part number 7? For vacuuming fine small particles, oh, for fine stuff off the bottom, like little bits of sand or something. You put this up inside of this little bastard, and this will stretch back over the top of your, like this, it'll stretch back over the top of your internal filter I showed you. That's inside of here. Oh, that's cool. Alright, well there's how you put that together. Just a little something. Hey, how you doing? And this, I'm assuming, it's just got the 2 little clips. Well, it's got the 2 holes. See? Hole and a hole. Dig a hole, bitch. And in it goes. You push these in, blah, blah, blah. And you can walk around with it and all that stuff. So, if the pool is cool enough tomorrow, we're going to test this bitch out. But there's how you put together an Intex. I threw the box into the bathroom. I'll even tie tomorrow's video into this. Pure Spa Intex rechargeable handheld vacuum. Aspiradora rechargeable for pool and spa. Para piscina y spa. Something like that. I don't know. Dario, you can help me with the Spanish. I'm not good at it. I hope I said it close enough. Okay. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And if the pool's not cold, I'll see you when the pool warms up again. It's 84 degrees today, right now, which isn't bad. But that has to charge. So if it hits 84 again tomorrow, 86, somewhere like that, the pool, we'll go out there and run around the pool and vacuum that bitch up. And we'll see how it works and finish the review. Man, Lefty's a good host, isn't he? So is Righty, but Lefty is really good at it. He's a natural. You gotta hand it to him. Anyway, anyways, yeah, I'll see you when we test this bitch out tomorrow or the next day. I don't know. We'll test it out. It'll be on this. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.